ESD control garments are an important part of many ESD control programs, but only when they're properly qualified, worn, maintained, and verified per ANSI ESD S20.20 and ESD TR53 requirements. Let's go over the do's and don'ts of ESD garments to support proper compliance in your EPA. Do wear your garment correctly. ESD garments work best to attenuate static charges when they're worn properly. That means fully snapped or zipped up where required by your ESD control program. You don't want the static charges on your clothing to be induced onto ESDS devices and assemblies. Don't assume any lab coat is ESD protective. A regular lab coat or jacket without conductive fibers will not attenuate static charges. A properly designed groundable static control garment will reduce the static charge potential of your clothing and create a path for charges to dissipate to ground. Do test and verify your garments. Like any ESD control product, garments should be periodically tested and inspected. Over time, normal wear, contamination, and repeated laundering can impact performance. Proper compliance verification ensures your ESD control items continue performing as intended. Don't ignore cuffs, grounding, or system requirements. An ESD garment alone does not replace required grounding methods like wrist straps or footwear flooring systems, unless specifically designed and qualified to do so. If your garment includes knit cuffs, make sure they're worn correctly, making proper contact when required by your process. Do launder garments properly. Proper garment care matters. Using approved laundering procedures helps maintain the conductive fibers and performance of your ESD garments over time. Always follow the manufacturer's recommended washing instructions and your company's procedures for maintaining ESD garments. Don't wash ESD garments like regular clothing. They require unique laundry care. Using bleach, fabric softeners, powder detergents, or high wash temperatures can cause damage to the conductive fibers and polyester fabrics. Only use non-ionic liquid detergents. Don't use hot, dry settings. Air dry your smock if possible. ANSI ESD S20.20 recognizes ESD garments as an important part of many ESD control programs, but only when they're properly qualified, worn correctly, and maintained over time. Remember, if the garment is part of your ESD control program, it should be qualified and documented within your qualified materials list. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to the SCS YouTube channel for more ESD do's and don'ts.